Assalamu alaikum, brothers. For dynamic resistance, most of us, after finishing the test, he can see some results just not available like this, or even timing. Here we can see 87 millisecond, 51, 48, 51, 85, 79. So 103. So results like this means tab changer have problem, or even you will go to repeat the test in case if you find something missing in measurement like this. But actually there is a solution for this. Even you already finished the test and you transfer the equipment to another side. So let's start from beginning. You will open tracks control, work offline, load file, and here this is our previous test. So hit this icon here and go to your test, download tab changer and release measure. So the recorded values of previous tests are already available here, and you can change this window. You can see the timing or back to resistance here. Okay. For example, let's go for some missed measurement like this one. Connection H1, H2, and X0, X2 or LV, because this is delta star one transformer DYN1, and this missed value. Device didn't record it, but actually everything is recorded. So let's see this what's happening. So press graph. Okay, you will find already record is available, and sometimes even you can find something like this. Sometimes when you open graph, you can see something only like this, but actually graph still available somewhere. Okay, just reset for resolution and make zooming like this. You will find the remaining part of the graph. We need to show the cursors here. Cursors already available. You can see it here. Sometimes software is hanging. Just press show cursors. Sometimes already available somewhere. Okay, just bring these cursors. You see all overlapping each others. Okay, and move it to this part. Now we can see. Actually, we have 4 cursors here because this type of tab changer will have 4 arms. Sorry, 2 arms. Will not go in details for this part, but now we'll move this cursor. Now this RA is available here. We can see if we move this one, so RA is changing, so we have to bring it to first change here. Second one, second cursor. No, this is the last. You can see this last here, so move it to last. Next, this one previous last for last, and this one the second here, and update cursor time, reset analysis. Now it's zooming more, so we have to better update. I'll move this one here. Okay, and this one here. Update cursor time. Once you press update cursor time, everything is updated here down. Okay, you can zoom also, you can make some adjustment. Okay, like this, and update cursor time. So we can see now for AR 17.9 millisecond, R and P in parallel 14.6, B arm 15.5, total timing to reach from arm A to arm B 48 milliseconds, and this is the right value. And we can see arm A resistance 677, arm B resistance 729. The selection here showing that actually this type of type changer will have two arm, two resistance. Okay, and this two resistance should be mostly same, but we find here that there is negative sign is available here, and this because of wrong connection, wrong polarity. Okay, and because we can see here H1, H2, and in the opposite side, if we are using manual mode, we have to connect X0, X2, not X2, X0. If wrong connection happen, the polarity will be wrong. Okay. So, update. Okay. Another values, if you find something like this also, just come to this one graph. You can see the colors in wrong places. Just take it and put in the right place and update cursor time. Now everything correct.